For an effective tour or event, a mobile two-way communication system is the best solution. But sometimes collaboration isn't required, and a one-way system would still provide a great customer experience. Introducing the LKR-11 and LKR-12 receivers from Listen Technologies, the newest members of the ListenTALK family. The LKR-11 and LKR-12 complement Listen's offerings to the tour market with 2 receive-only versions, providing more flexibility with the same great audio for any budget. The LKR-11 is a receiver with a digital display, but without a talk button, internal microphone, or the ability to transmit. It uses the same dock and management software as the LK1 ListenTALK transceiver and has near-field communication technology for easy group creation, allowing anyone to join a tour instantly by pairing with an LK1 leader unit. The LKR-12 is a cost-effective receiver without a digital display. It is designed for tours and events where the participants only need to control the volume of their devices. It can be paired using any one of the ListenTALK docking stations or via the ListenTALK software suite when connected to a PC. The LKR-11 and LKR-12 work with an LK1 transceiver and round out the ListenTALK product family. Customize your ListenTALK system with the features your customers need for the best solution on the market.